Even the tiniest garden or balcony can make compost, nature's best gift for your plants. Compost is black gold. It turns kitchen scraps and garden clippings into rich, living soil. Making compost is free, easy, and deeply satisfying. Instead of tossing out food scraps, you're turning waste into wealth and cutting down on rubbish. Compost feeds the worms, bacteria, and fungi that keep your soil healthy. Healthy soil holds water better and helps roots grow strong. Whether you grow flowers, herbs, or tomatoes, compost gives them the best start. You don't need a big garden or fancy equipment. Anyone can compost. It's simple, space-saving, and the rewards are huge. Watch your plants thrive and enjoy closing the natural loop. Composting is one of the most rewarding things a gardener can do. No matter your space, you can start your own compost factory. Let's see how. First, pick a home for your compost. For small spaces, use a lidded bucket with holes for drainage and air, perfect for balconies. Or make a wire mesh bin for great airflow. Place it on soil so worms can help. If you have a garden bed, try trench composting. Dig a trench, fill with scraps, cover, and let it break down underground. Later, plant right on top for rich soil. Want something clever? Build a keyhole garden, a raised bed with a compost basket in the center. As you add scraps, nutrients feed the whole bed. Each method is simple, space-efficient, and effective. Choose what fits your space and style. Composting can work anywhere. Ready to start? Composting is easy, just mix greens and browns. Greens are wet, nitrogen-rich, veggie scraps, coffee grounds, fresh grass. Browns are dry, carbon-rich, dried leaves, cardboard twigs, eggshells. Aim for a balance, about half and half. Too wet and smelly? Add more browns. Too dry? Add more greens. Layer materials like a lasagna. Start with coarse browns, then greens, then browns again. Finish with a brown layer to keep smells in and flies out. Add a little garden soil now and then to boost microbes. Don't stress about perfection. Composting is more art than science. The goal, a damp, airy mix that breaks down over time. With the right mix, you'll have rich compost before you know it. Keep it simple and keep adding. That's the recipe for black gold. Compost needs water and air to thrive. Keep it damp, like a wrung-out sponge. Add water if it's dry, but don't soak it. Turn or mix your pile every few weeks to add air and speed up decomposition. If you use a bucket, just shake or roll it. Smelly compost? It's too wet or has too many greens. Add dry browns and mix. If it's dry and not breaking down, add greens and a splash of water. A warm pile means microbes are working hard. Most problems are easy to fix. Just adjust your greens and browns. Regular attention keeps your compost healthy and active. Don't worry about mistakes. Composting is forgiving. Soon you'll have a thriving pile full of life. Keep it balanced, and nature will do the rest. Happy compost, happy garden. Finished compost looks dark, crumbly, and smells earthy. No more visible scraps, just rich living soil. Use it as mulch. Spread a layer around plants to feed them, keep weeds down and hold moisture. Or mix it with soil and sand for homemade potting mix, perfect for containers. Your plants will love the boost and you'll save money. Composting closes the loop. Kitchen and garden waste become food for new growth. Healthy soil means healthy plants no matter your garden size. Anyone can make black gold, even with just a few pots. Try it and watch your garden thrive. Composting is simple, sustainable, and rewarding. Your garden will thank you.